What's up, guys? Welcome back to Obviously Owen, and today we are doing a rematch for the ages, RC Car Battle Knockdown 2. As you can see, remember, I think you all probably watched the first one, which will pop up right now. So this is, Liam gets his chance to revenge. So the rules of this game is one car has to flip the other car to get a point, and this is best out of 3. So guys, I am the blue car, Liam is the red car, and here we go to the round 1. Let's go! Woo! 3, 2, 1, go! Don't leave the box. Woo! Let's go! Instant replay right now. This is round 2. He has 1 point. I have 0 points. First to 3 points. Are you ready? Yes. Round 3, 2, 1, go. Oh! Let's go! 1-1 instant replay right now. Woo! So it is 1-1. I got the last point. It is round 3. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, go! Ooh, what a save! Let's go! Dang. Instant replay right now. So it is 2-1, round 4. This is Liam's game point, so I gotta be careful. 3, 2, 1, go! Revenge! Woo! Woo! Let's go! GGA. Revenge, man. Yeah. 2 battles in a row. 2 battles in a row.
Yeah,
so
he is on a hot
I
streak.
won 3 battles. He's on a hot streak, guys. So, here we go. On to the closing. In instant replay. Thank you guys for watching this video. Liam did get his revenge, like the trailer said. So, yeah, it was very fun. So, thank you guys for watching my videos, and thank you for all the support on my channel. And what do you have to say, Liam? 2 battles in a row, 3 wins. That's just really good. Yeah, I hope he doesn't get a 3rd win in a row. So, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.